pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it.
Welcome back. Rico Moneybags here with another one. You know, the channel manifesting you some extra money into those bags to acquire and accumulate as much BTC and that FEG token. Hopefully you guys have been accumulating that FEG token. Of course, not financial advice. We'll get that out the way. But let's get this video started. As you can tell, I'm very excited. I checked the wallet that I made the tutorial on how to buy FEG. If you guys have not bought some FEG, check out the video on how to buy FEG. Go ahead and like, subscribe, leave some bullish comments down below if you're part of that FEG army. And if you're not, make sure you guys come over here and give them a follow at FEG Token on X. You guys are not going to want to miss out with this. We got a lot of things happening, but one of the reasons I'm so excited is the wallet that I did the tutorial video on how to buy FEG and how to stake FEG. That wallet, it's already 2x'd. So if you would have got in way before when it started making the videos on FEG Token on how to buy, which is just 1 month ago, it's still early. Smart DeFi has not launched yet, and we can see this right here. I mean, epic by the team right here. We got this. We're going to cover this, and then we're going to get to some price predictions and technical analysis as these charts are ramping up. We've seen Bitcoin pull back. We've seen a lot of other things pull back, but FEG Token is pumping up, and that's because the developments are right around the corner. So we got FEGX. At the heart of the ecosystem lies FEGX, a revolutionary decentralized exchange, DEX, right, a DEX, that empowers Smart DeFi users with full access to the Smart DeFi token launchpad and FEG ecosystem. That utility alone right there, I've said it in other videos, that is super bullish. We'll take a peek at the charts before we continue because we're going to get through this, and then we're going to do our price predictions. We broke right past. We caught up to that line that I put. We said we needed to get up to that 35, and boy, did we. This is on the BNB side of things, and we just literally still ripping right up. Can FEG Token delete a zero? Go watch that video on FEG Token possibly deleting a video or deleting a zero on that video. But we are on the BNB side. We're going to check things out on the ETH side as well. We're cruising at a $21 million market cap. FEG Token is really shaking up the DeFi space. But this UI right here that they're talking about, that's utility alone. If some token was coming out with just this, where it had the staking already implemented, where the smart tools were going to be coming when we're talking about lending and we're talking about burning and the SD scan, that utility right there alone is bullish for any project. And this is something that we currently can be using right now as the FEG army. So as you can tell, I'm very excited. It's our time to shine. We're not going to be dimming our lights this year. This is going to be our bull market. We're in that bull market. This is going to be our bull run. We're up 15% on the day on the BNB side of things. Let's check on the ETH side really quick. We're up 21%. I mean, look at this. This is where we were at before. But we're going to get deeper into these price predictions. So if that's something that you guys want to watch or learn and kind of see where you want to get into fit in, you guys are going to want to watch to the end. But let's go ahead and continue. Make sure you guys give me a follow at Rico Moneybags. Tap into the TG down below. I see that growing where a lot of Smart DeFi tokens are going to be hosting those AMAs inside the Moneybags Mansion. You guys are not going to want to miss out with that. Let's go ahead and continue. We got number 2, creating a token in minutes. You can literally create and launch a token for free in minutes. Projects will take advantage of this feature and will have themselves huge amounts of time and precious funds on their SD startups right away. We're talking about staking. We're talking about actual utility for these projects coming out right away. And there is a reason why I'm filling up that Moneybags Mansion. Hopefully you guys can connect the dots. Hopefully you guys can read in between the lines. But something very special is going to be coming out of that Moneybags Mansion. I'm going to be pulling every string that I can, every connection that I have, every networking friend that I've ever met. Something special is going to come out of that, and those are for the people that can connect those dots, that can read in between the lines. Something huge will come out of the Moneybags Mansion. Mark my words. We got fully adjustable, edit your tokenomics to adapt as you go, both before and after the launch, allowing projects to tailor their taxes to any future requirements, okay? And something just to underline right here, while keeping the investors safe, there is a 3-day window period that investors will be let know about if these tokenomics were changed. But like that, while you're sleeping, somebody doesn't change the taxes, and next you know the taxes are where you don't want to possibly participate in that project anymore. But it's giving you that window of opportunity right there. We got choose a pairing. You can currently choose between launching your token on the Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain networks. This offers 2 completely different options to you and your project. We have CEX and DEX friendly. take full advantage of our take full advantage of more exposure to the markets by listing your Smart DeFi token on any centralized exchange or decentralized exchange. That is your is if you want to do that, you can. I would say, not financial advice, do it when the time is right. But nonetheless, this is something that's letting us know that we have a contract fully audited by PEG. Every single token, every Smart DeFi project that comes out on that launchpad is technically and officially audited by PEG. That is bullish right there, okay? We can see that by the charts. We got bot protection. This is something that RTR Crypto was talking about. This is something I'm very bullish on as well. And the underlying value of FEG is safety and security, okay? So we got bot protection. Smart DeFi creators can choose to benefit from front-run bot protection. Users can also enable this on their wallets, giving them security never seen before. So FEG token making sure everybody gets a piece of this right here. And this is to keep you from getting your orders sandwiched. Next, we have pre-sales. The tokenless pre-sale invented by FEG Rocks will attract investors with the innovative pre-sale safety feature that this provides for their funds. Staking. Stake your FEG token. I made a video on how to buy FEG. I suggest you go watch that video. I also made a video on how to stake that FEG. That wallet right now has 2x'd just in that time period. It's compounding, it's staking and compounding automatically. So stake your FEG and earn passive income from the volume of FEG and all future Smart DeFi tokens. That is bullish. That wallet's going to look crazy. As the ecosystem expands, so will your staking rewards. Users will experience infinite rewards. That is just bullish right there. Asset backing. This innovative feature ensures a steady upward trajectory for your token baseline value, guaranteeing a minimum future value of your investment. Smart loan. And it continues. It's going to continue. And then we're going to get to these price predictions. I'm just amped up. This community is ready. You guys smash the like button, subscribe, share this video as much as you can. Let's make this video go viral. For all the people new to the channel, I see the subscribers are just climbing and climbing. Something is happening. I can see it in the algorithm. So let's go ahead and welcome them with some likes, with some bullish comments on FEG token to those new subscribers that are finding this channel. The next channel that's going to be printing millionaires this bull run. You guys will see we will have crazy amount of success stories. We're not going to slow down, but we got smart loan. Through smart lending, any smart DeFi token can be used as collateral to take out a loan against its baseline value without having to sell or burn your tokens. That is bullish right there. And we're going to talk about more about that once these things go live and how to use it effectively. Like that, you guys can get the best use case out of it as possible. And as I was saying earlier, fully audited, PEG are trusted partners for security audits with the global reputation for excellence and expertise in auditing sophisticated smart contracts. They are an ideal choice for safeguarding all smart DeFi investors and giving investors the assurance they deserve. Big shout out to PEG. Big shout out to the alien FEG Rocks. This collaboration has been epic. And excuse me, last but not least, we have smart DeFi and we have the FEG track. This is stuff that people usually, when they come out with a token, this is something that they're going to have for that project later on. This is smart DeFi users can upgrade their investor experience by downloading the FEG track. Do that now to take full advantage of the range of metrics available on this unique app. And this is already going to be getting updated. So this is bullish right here. Make sure you guys come over here, interact with everything FEG token. I mean, this animation's new, and big shout out. We got one of the best in the game when it comes to making our animation and everything like that. Look at them right there, just looking like the GOAT. So we got this right here. Let's go ahead and do this. We got top 30 trending coins, and you guys know where we're at with that. Also on BYD5, we're one of the tokens on fire. We got a fire emblem right next to the biggest blue chips. We're number 2 right here. But if you guys like BYD5, there's a link down below. Next to that, Moneybags Mansion Telegram link. Something special will be coming out of there. Read in between the lines. Besides the AMAs, besides everything else, something big will be coming from that. I want you guys to tap in on that. But we got FEG right here on the BSC side, number 2. And on BYD5, the exchange that I'm going to offer for you guys, they got some rewards, some coupons that you guys can use down below where you guys can get some free money, buy some FEG with it, or withdraw that and buy something else, whatever you guys want to do. But that link is there for you guys to be used, and it is BYD5. So look, FEG token on top. Amazing video. Big shout out to Jasmine. We got this right here. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters from Nigeria. Turned up. I mean, this is how I feel right now. I saw that wallet. I said, that is just a tutorial wallet. And I was just so excited for anybody who got in when they watched that video on how to buy. If you bought right then and there, that wallet is already 2x, and it's going to continue to climb because we're staking it. We're compounding on top of that. But my Nigerian brothers and sisters, thank you for this video. This is exactly how I woke up feeling. And to drop this video for this community that rocks with me so hard by liking and sharing everything going on with this. So this is epic right here. Let's go ahead and jump right to these price predictions and technical analysis. So we're already on the ETH side. We'll keep it right here. Look at our new levels. We got our horizontal line right here. We at 3-0 for that zone right there. You can see this section right here. Right, we're just going to get our channels lined out where we're at. Our recent little pump on the ETH side, we're right here at 4018. We're halfway to erasing a zero. That will look pretty crazy and probably activate the FOMO. That is in our hands to do. Stake your FEG. Don't worry about losing your positions. Let everybody know. Look at how we shot up from the section that we were making videos at back here, and out of nowhere, something is happening. Connect these dots, read in between the lines. Let's go ahead and put some up arrows right here. Right here, we got that support level right there. This is an area of support. We also got this price range right here, area of support. This is one to keep an eye on, the 33 one, but also 36. If you don't want to miss out, this could be that time because the end of the year is right here. And Smart DeFi is right around the corner. Now let's get to the BNB side. Let's see what's going on over here. We're at $22 million market cap and move in. Let's zoom out really quick. We got this. This is where we're at. Check this out. Let's move this arrow just really quick. This is what we were talking about. A little pump up, come right back down, and possibly shoot right back up. FEG said, you know what? We're out of here. Smart DeFi is right around the corner. We're getting out of here. We're gonna do this today. We're gonna do this right now. And it's already started pumping from the other days. I was keeping an eye on it. But now this is where we're at, right? So let's go ahead and get these arrows, talk about these positions, and just share these videos. It is our time right now. I am bullish as ever right now. This is what we've been waiting for. This is our time to shine. And FEG token, FEG community, I need your guys' help. One of the best communities that made this channel grow. Help me spread this word by sharing this video on all social media platforms, not just on YouTube, not just on X, but your Facebooks, on everything. This is our time to really shine. Our all-time high is 44 flat, so getting close to that halfway point. We can tell. Remember, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, and so forth. So we'll be checking out these prices. There's this channel right here. I'll be honest with you guys, always on the channel. If you're looking for a pullback, maybe it might be this 42 zone right here where we see this pullback. And if you want to get a position and just practice how to be a smart trader, how to buy on the pullback and not chase every pump, right? But this will be a good area to go ahead and add to your position. The 44 is flat, and we could potentially break right past this 45. Now let's go ahead and zoom down just this and put it right at that 45 mark. I'll zoom in 1 second. Just a second. Right. So getting above this 45 zone would be ideal. That's what we want to see. That's the shape that we're going to want to see. Obviously getting above that, making a support and pushing right up towards that section of erasing a zero. Join the Moneybags Mansion down below. That is going to be for those who can connect the dots, for those who can read in between the lines. Something special will be coming from that. And we already get to use this UI right here, the staking, swap, soon to come, the smart lending, the burning, the SD scan for all the smart DeFi tokens. This is just epic right here. Everything very transparent. Everything's right here in front of our face. Using the same API as as you were trading view, so you guys can go ahead and get full advantage of all the indicators, all the oscillators, the type of candles that you like to use and whatnot like that. So these are our price ranges. I believe that FEG token is on his route to go ahead and erase a zero. It's going to get really wild because once these smart DeFi tokens start to launch, not only are we going to be getting the rewards from the staking of those projects that enable staking, but also their exposure to marketing. People who probably didn't hear about FEG token before are probably going to be associated with said tokens. And when they pay for marketing and when they snatch up new investors, they're gonna be like, hey, where did they come from? they came from the FEG eco. So go ahead and take a sip of coffee with me. Like, subscribe, share the video, and continue to come back. Experience abundance. Until next time, you guys know what it is.